Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a payment method to the Trendyol app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the account menu, and then if you scroll down under account, we find my payment methods. We tap on this, and then if we have a payment method saved here, we can check it out here. And if we don't have one, then we can add it while we are shopping. So, for example, if we are ordering some stuff, we can add our card in that window, in that place. So before we check out, we can tap on save this card to my account or some message similar to that, and then it's going to be added to my payment methods. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.